Hey, let me show you two methods to fix the no calls issue with your Huawei FreeBuds SE. So the first option will be to opening the settings, and you have to be connected with your earbuds. Then going to the Bluetooth settings and tapping on this settings icon when you are connected with your FreeBuds. And be sure that the phone calls switcher is enabled. So right now you will be able to connect to the phone audio and talk to your headphones. And the second method, if the first one is not working for you, input both earbuds inside the case and then click and hold this button until it starts blinking red. It will take around a few seconds. And now please subscribe to my channel, you will help me to grow it. I will be really grateful for this. And as you can see right now it is blinking, so we have to release this button, and after a few seconds it will start blinking white, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now we can go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, remove your previously connection, basically unpair, and here from available devices select your FreeBuds, so click on them, accept the pairing, and now we are connected. So yeah, tell me if it works for you, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye!